Do your kids want to help you cook?
If they do, we've got a product that we've been trying out that may or may not help you out. Check this video out to find out more.
Hey barbecuers.
Hey everybody, I'm Kevin.
I'm Claire.
And today we're reviewing a pretty cool new product, but we wanted to take a break here just for a second to tell you this is going to be an interesting video. I am doing no editing on this video. Why, you ask?
Because of the torn retina.
Because of a torn retina, I cannot see. So right now there are two cameras, one there and one over there somewhere. And it's making looking at computer screens an absolute disaster. So no editing on this. We're doing this one live take all the way through. We tried to do YouTube live, but it just didn't work out. So hopefully this video comes out decent. You ready? Okay. So Claire has been wanting to get involved with the barbecue pit for a while now. She's been hoping to cut vegetables and all that kind of stuff, but we're always worried that she's gonna, all the dangerous stuff, right? Yeah, so kind of stuff, what kind of stuff do I tell you not to touch?
Not touch the black and the knives.
Not
and the
all the
pot,
black stuff is hot,
and
so
the
don't.
big kit scissors.
The big scissors and the knives and all that kind of stuff.
And the hot stuff.
Right, so we found a product that we thought would actually be kind of helpful. So it's this bag of plastic kids knives that are designed to cut food. They're food grade plastic. So here, why don't you show one? Food grade plastic. And there's a bunch of different sizes, like for instance of that one. And then different sizes of these. So I got an orange one here too. And then two sizes of the other kitchen knives. Then the kit, and all this will be linked down below. The kit also comes with
baby green knife in case
baby
you have
green
a little
knife,
kid.
right?
And some cutting Play-Doh tools.
Some, yeah, they're not for Play-Doh though, they're for vegetables, but yeah. And so you can make shapes out of the vegetables. The kids can make some cool shapes. And then, one nice thing about them though is
they have protective gloves. Protective
gloves, and of course Claire loved it because they were pink, because that's her favorite color, right? So, getting into it, I was a little concerned that the knives weren't going to be sharp enough, because I always tell you, and I've always told you on the Holy Grail Barbecue channel, that your knives have to be sharp, because if they're not sharp, they're dangerous, right? Well, so we tried these out, and I'm going to get just one here, okay? And I'll peep this one right here. So you can see it's got a serrated edge that is fairly sharp. I mean,
it can scrape you.
It can cut you. The problem is it's not sharp enough. So if the vegetables are even a little bit hard, it won't even go through. And then technique goes out the door, and Claire's doing a sawing motion or pushing down way too hard and using all the force she can, so her fingers are curling underneath the blades and all that kind of stuff, right? So, but what vegetables have you found that you were able to cook?
Tomatoes and like parsley and stuff.
Yeah, she minced up some basil and parsley.
And green beans are not, I thought green beans would be way easier, but they're not that easy.
Right, green beans were even too hard. So. And
I told Daddy that whatever doesn't have skin may be easier for these knives to cut since they're plastic and they're not that sharp.
Yeah, so we're thinking stuff like avocados after they've already been removed from the peel. Tomatoes. Maybe if you're dicing up some already cooked potatoes, or very soft vegetables. I wouldn't recommend these for any kind of meat because they wouldn't probably get through that at all. The safety gloves are nice though.
We don't know if they come in different colors.
We don't know if they come in different colors. Right now all we found is pink. We'll do some research before posting this video, and if there are some blue ones, we'll certainly get those out. I also want to do some testing to see if how tough are these gloves? Can real knives go through them? And if that's the case, or if that's not the case and knives won't go through these things, then maybe that's an alternative to get. Maybe 6 is a little too young, maybe 7 or 8 years old to start learning actual knife skills. I know I got my first pocket knife when I was 7 years old from my grandfather. And maybe that would work for somebody like Claire. But it has been fun because you've been able to get in the kitchen more, right? Yeah. Claire mixes all the sauces. Claire mixes all the sauces. And she's starting to help add all the spices. And now with this, she's able to add some of the vegetables.
Like be able to cut with this
Yep.
plastic knife.
Yep. And she's learning that knives aren't toys, they're tools, right? So we got to be careful with them. And what kind of techniques are you learning with the knife?
I'm learning hold and press down, and then I'm learning point down and then press down.
And then kind of chop with the point down, right?
And then I'm also learning just kind of normal chopping where you just push it down and then stuff like that.
Right.
And then doing like super fast chops where you just...
Very nice. So she is learning. Now, is it the best technique in the world because of dull knives? Probably not. We'll have to relearn some more. But you know what? It's getting her involved in the kitchen. So in the barbecue pit here, we're gonna reorganize the deck a little bit so that the barbecue pit is a little bit more Claire friendly. And then we're gonna also, we got some new cameras coming and some new video recording type devices that hopefully will get our quality of video up even higher and allow Claire to have a little more fun in the barbecue pit. So stay tuned. We hope that this helped you guys out maybe a little bit. Links will be all down below. And make sure you subscribe, like our channel, subscribe to it, hit the little bell icon so that you're sure to get notified every time we release a new video. And if this was helpful at all, please hit that thumbs up button and comment down below. That would be really helpful. We'll talk to you guys next time, hopefully when I got an eye that sees. Thanks, everybody. What do you think?
I have to stand up.
Yeah, I know. Okay, let's go with that.
Sitting down is just way too hard.